Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to see a new lesson number 21, the game hide and seek. In this lesson, we will classify the games into indoor and outdoor games, and we will get more information about local and traditional games, and we will understand the benefits of playing games, and we will know about the entertainment available through storybooks, games, radio and TV. See here, look at the picture. In this picture, children are playing a game. You can see in the picture, children are playing a game. Which game they are playing? They are playing hide and seek. In Kannada, what you are saying? Kanna mucche ಕಾಡೆಗೂಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ಕನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚೆ ಕಾಡೆಗೂಡೆ, ಉದ್ದಿನ ಮೂಟೆ ಉರುಳೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. They are singing these lines and they are playing. See here, I will tell you the story what they are doing. See here, Rani sang the song aloud and opened the closed eyes of Ranga. When she was singing the song, Suma, Vinay, John and Hasina hid behind the tree. When Ranga was searching for them, Suma, John and Hasina came quickly and touched Rani and shouted, "Oh, we touched Rani." But Ranga touched Vinay before he touched Rani and shouted, "Out." Meanwhile, it started raining. The children went into the house of Ranga. See children, here all the children are playing hide and seek game. Have you played this game? Yes, everybody have played this game. Okay. Here Rani is singing the song aloud. Kanna mucche kadegude. Like this, she is singing the song and closed Ranga's eyes with her hand. After saying this song, she opened the closed eyes of Ranga. When she was singing the song, Suma, Vinay, John and Hasina hid behind the tree. Now Ranga has to search them where they have hid before they come and touch the Rani. So he is searching for them. Suma, John and Hasina came quickly and touched Rani and shouted, "Oh, we touched Rani." But Ranga touched Vinay before he touched Rani and shouted, "Out." Vinay is out. So here Vinay is out. Now the turn is Vinay's. Vinay has to close his eyes now. Means Rani has to close his eyes and saying these lines, "Kanna mucche kade gude." And afterwards, she opened his closed eyes. Now Vinay has to search them where they have hide before they come and touch the Rani. Like this way, they are playing. While playing, rain is start. So the children went into the house of Ranga. Now inside the home, the children are talking. Let us see what they are talking. Ranga is saying, "My uncle has bought many story books. Would you like to see them?" So Vinay says, "No thanks. Today is Sunday. Let us watch children's program on the TV. No need to see the story books. Today is Sunday. Let us leave to the books and let us watch TV." So Rani is saying, "No, we shall listen to the songs over the radio." So all are saying, "No, no, no, let us play games." Alright, then what game shall we play? So everyone are discussing what game should they play now. So the Rani says, "Let us play Chauka Bara." Chauka Bara means game of squares. So Ranga says, "But we are 6 members here. Chauka Bara can be played by only 4. So what should we do?" Suma says, "Then let's play Halaguni Mane." But John says, "No, only 2 people can play it." So Hasina says, "What about Carom. Ranga says, sorry, I don't have a carom board. Then Vinay says, let us play Ache Kallu, means Ani Kallu. Now John looked outside and said, rain has stopped, let us go out and play. So children came outside shouting with joy. Again a question arose about a game. Which game has to be played? So each one told the names of the games they knew. They had choose one game from Lagori, Monkey Frank, Chinni Dandu, Marble game, Spinning Top, Cricket, Hopping game, Skipping, Ball game. Finally, they decided to play the hopping game. Next, write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson. So you can write here Lagori, Monkey Prank, Chinni Dandu, Marble game, Spinning Top, Cricket, Hopping game, Skipping, Ball game. Okay? Okay. Now, among these, write the names of the games played inside the house in the circle and write the names of the games played outside the house in the field, in the square. Mark the games that you play or know. Learn about the games that you do not know. See children, we have to write the indoor game in the circle. Indoor game means what children? Games which are played inside the house are called indoor games. So we have to write indoor games in the circle. Which are those children? So write it here. We can write Chaukabara, Ache Kallu, Carom, Snake and Ladder, Ludo. These all are the games which are played inside the house. Now tell me, which are the games that played outside the house? Lagori, cricket, marble game, skipping, ball game. These are all the games which are played outside the house. So children, games which are played outside the house, in the field or playground, they are called outdoor games, and games which are played inside the house, they are called indoor games. Now here you have write the names of the outdoor and indoor games that you play. Every one of you played different types of outdoor and indoor games. So you need to write the games which you played outside the house in outdoor games, and the games which you played inside the house in indoor games. Okay. You can write here outdoor games, Lagori, cricket, ball game, marble game, hopping game. And in indoor game, you can write it here Chaukabara, Ache Kallu, Carom, Snake and Ladder, Ludo. Now make a list of the games which you play under the guidance of your teacher. Here you have write some of the games which you played under the guidance of your P teacher. Which are those children? Yes, you will play kabaddi, volleyball, running race, cricket, throwball, football, kho-kho, badminton, musical chair, basketball. So these are all the games which we play under the guidance of P teacher. Okay. Here some of the games pictures are there. Which are these games? So let us identify these games. First one is kabaddi. Next, pulling the rope. Cricket, spinning the top. Pagade aata, Chinni Dandu, Haleguni Mane, marble game, hopscotch, flying the kite, football, and last one is skipping. These are all the some of the games which we have seen in the picture. Okay. Next, there is one activity. Write the names of the games played in the picture given on the previous page. Also write the names of materials required to play them. If you do not know, ask your elders and write. So we have to write what are the things which we need, what are the materials which are required to play the games. So first one, kabaddi. To play kabaddi, what do we need? We need shoes, elastic, clothes to cover and protect arms and knee. For pulling the rope, we need rope. For cricket, we need bat, ball, wickets. For spinning the top, we need rope and top. For pagade game, we need pagade board, 4 sets of pawn and dice. For chinni dandu, we need wooden stick. For haleguni mane aata, we need wooden board and tamarind seeds. For marble game, we need marbles. For hopscotch, we need stone. For flying kite, we need kite and thread. For football, we need ball. For skipping, we need skipping rope. Next, write the names of games that can be played using a rope, stones and tamarind seeds. Using rope, we can play skipping, pulling the rope, spinning the top. And using stones, we can play lagori, hopscotch, achekallu. And using the tamarind seeds, we can play chaukabara, haleguni mane, pagade. You have a ball. Which games can you play using this ball? Write them in the squares which are given around the ball. So by using the ball, which game we can play? Baseball, badminton, basketball, volleyball, hockey, throw ball, lagori, cricket. These all are the games which we can play by using the ball. Next, see these pictures. What are these, children? Yes, television, radio, newspaper and boys are playing spinning the top. So which of the above picture do you like the most and why? See, most of you like the picture of last one. You can go to the ground and you want to play, right? And some of you also like to read the story from the newspaper, and some of you like to listen the songs in the radio, and some of you like to watch cartoon, Chintu, Chota Bheem in the television, isn't it? Yes. Whichever you like, that you can write it here, okay? You can write it here. I like to play the games because playing games gives us entertainment and makes our body strong and healthy. Next, you have to know this. We get entertainment and information from TV, radio and books. Playing games gives us entertainment, the body and mind freshness up. Playing games gives us entertainment, the body and mind freshness up. Playing games makes our body strong and healthy. Next, make a list of the games you play generally. Name an indoor and an outdoor game that you like. Write 4 lines about your favorite game. Which you like most, about that you can write it here. Okay, for example, my favorite indoor game is Snake and Ladder. It is played on a game board. It helps us to understand the concept of mathematics. It improves our math skill. We will have fun by playing this game. And my favorite outdoor game is Lagori. We need 7 stones and a rubber ball to play this game. It is played between 2 teams, each player taking 3 chances to knock down the stones. Next, play the game. Here one game is there, children. So you have to play this game with your friends. Play this game with your friends. You and your friends should hide your hands under clothes. One of you ask questions and others answer. Where have the hands gone? They have gone to the fair. What does the fair give? It gives sugar cane. What have you done with it? I have enjoyed its taste. What have you done? What have you done with the rind? I have put it into a dunghill. What does the dunghill give? It gives manure. What have you done with the manure? I have spread it over the field. What does the field give? It gives green grass. What have you done with the grass? I have fed it to the cows. What have the cows given? They have given us milk. What do you do with the milk? I drink it and grow stronger. Like this way, you can play this game, children. I hope you understood about this lesson. Thank you, children.